Fallout from college admissions scandal worsening for accused parents, schools. That was revealed this week is shaping up to have long-term ramifications for both the parents accused in the scheme and they. Some of the parents who are accused of cheating to get their children into elite schools are facing civil lawsuits in addition to federal criminal charges. Meanwhile, there is talk in Congress of new laws aimed at cracking down, and the Department of Education is also reviewing the case. Some of the defendants are already feeling the effects of the scandal and have lost work. Several of the colleges involved have launched their own probes. The sweeping criminal investigation, which came to light earlier this week, alleges that wealthy parents from different parts of the country sought out with one overriding goal to get their children into the best colleges. Told parents, the dozens charged in the scheme already face criminal charges. But several civil An Oakland woman filed a $500 billion class action lawsuit this week against 2 Hollywood actresses and dozens of other wealthy parents accused of paying hefty sums to bribe college coaches or doctor exam scores to secure their children's admission to elite universities. Jennifer K. Toy, who previously taught in the Oakland Unified School District, alleges in the lawsuit filed in San Francisco County Superior Court that the prevented her son, Joshua Toy, from being admitted to several colleges ensnared in the scandal. She wrote in the filing that her son worked hard and graduated from high school with a 4.2 GPA but was still rejected from some of the colleges. Actresses and Laughlin's husband, fashion designer Massimo Giannoli, along with dozens of other people charged in the criminal case, are named in the lawsuit. The court filing, against Stanford, USC, UCLA, the University of San Diego, the University of Texas at Austin, Wake Forest University, Yale University, and Georgetown University. The students allege the rigged system denied them a fair chance to matriculate at the elite institutions and could tarnish their degrees from Stanford. One of the aspects of the case that has inspired particular outrage is that the parents who took part in the alleged bribes got tax write-offs for the money they spent. Senior Ron Wyden the federal government shouldn't be perpetuating this system by awarding tax breaks to these contributions that return to the donor a benefit of inestimable value, he said in a statement. The National Association of College and University Business Officers expressed concern about the idea. While the organization's Education Secretary Betsy DeVos said this week her department is looking closely into whether any federal education regulations were violated. Several of the colleges involved have launched internal investigations. USC said it has initiated a case-by-case review of current students and graduates who may be connected to the alleged scheme. We will make informed. Yale said it was bringing in outside advisors to investigate. As part of this Harvard Westlake School in LA said it was conducting an internal review to fully understand the scope of any relationship that singer may have had with our families. Sources say
Raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.